Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about linear equation, but the most important for this video is about word problem. Word problem is always be the most important and the most difficult topic about calculation in your grade or in the math. So in this one, we will learn from the basic of word problem. It means the operation addition. Example, when you want to talk the sum or the total of 3 and 5, you can say that the first way is the sum of 3 and 5. So when you have these sentences in your question, you should understand that the question is talking about the addition of 3 and 5. It means 3 plus 5. Another way for talk about the sum of the 3 and 8 is mean 3 more than. The second way for talk about the sum of 3 and 5 is mean 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay, so what does it mean 3 more than 5? 3 more than 5 is you have 5 and the number will have 3 more than just 5. So it means 1 plus 3 more and it means always be 8. So 8 is 3 more than 5. So the question asks you about the number more than 5. So how much? 3. 3 more than 5 is mean the number 8. It means 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Yeah, okay. So another way for talk about the sum of 3 and 5 is mean 3 add to 5. 3 add to 5. It means you have the number is 5 and then you add more 3. You add 3 more. So it's always be 8. So the first number, the sum of 3 and 5 is very easy, right? It is 8. So the last way for write out in this one, for write out the sum of 3 and 5 is 5 increased by 3. 5 increased by 3 is means you have 5 the original function or original number and then you add 3 more, so you have 8. So the sum of 3 and 5 is mean 3 plus 5. 3 more than 5 is mean 3 plus 5. 3 add to 5 is mean 3 plus 5. 5 increasing by 3 is mean 5 plus 3. So the 4 ways for talking about the sum or the addition of 3 and 5. Yeah, about what problem where you in another exercise you just have expression like 3 plus 5, but in word problem you have many ways for present for the expression 5 plus 3. So you have the 4 way at least for talking about expression of 5 plus 3. The sum more than add to increasing by, that is the main words for word problem of addition. Okay, so you can try another exercise like this. 6 more than 8, what does that mean? What is the expression can you present for 6 more than 8? So the main number here is 8 and you have 6. Another number is more than 8. So how much more than 8? 6. So 6 plus 8 plus 6. So that number is 14 because 14 is 6 more than 8. Okay, the sum of 5 and 8. The sum of 5 and 8 is mean 5 plus 8. The 5 plus 8, that's all. 8 increasing by 5. Okay, the main number is 8. Increased by 5 is mean it have add more 5 units. 8 plus 5. Okay, 5 add to y. 5 add to y is mean 5. The main number add to y, something like this. The next exercise you have 5 to 10. 8 more than 7 for question 5. 8 more than 7 it means you have the main number is 7 and another number more than 7 by 5 unit. Add to x like this. Okay, y add to 3. Yeah, very easy. Y add to 3. The main number is y add to 3. The sum of x and 10, so very easy. X plus 10. 15 increasing by x. Yeah, 15 increasing by x. You have this one. Y more than 8. Y more than 8 is mean y more than 8. Okay, 11 increasing by y. Okay, 11 increasing by y like this. Add to y. Okay. Harder question you can see in my screen 11, 12, 13 and 14. So for question 11, the sum of 8 and 8 add to 5. So how can you write down the expression for these sentences? So first you have the sum of 8 and 8. Okay, 8 and 8, the sum, and add to 5. Add to 5 means another operation. You have add to 5 here. So you can simplify this one by 8 plus 13. Yeah, that is the first question in this slide. The sum of 8 and y. Okay, the sum of 8 and y, 8 plus y, increased by 10. Increased by 10, it means you have to add 10 more, like this. So you have 18 plus y, or y plus 18. That is the same answer. 8 more than sum of 3 and y. Oh, a little bit harder. You got 8 more than something, it means 8 plus something. But in here you got 8 more than sum of 3 and y. So another way for write out this one, you can write out 8 more than sum of 3 and y is mean 3 plus y like this. So in this form, I think it is simple. 8 more than 3 plus y. So how can you write down the expression? 3 plus y, and then you got plus 8. So 11 plus y. Yeah. 5 add to sum of 5 and x. So another way for write out these sentences, add to 5 add to sum of 5 and x is mean 5 plus 8 here, and 5 add to 5 plus 8. Okay, 5 plus 8 and then plus 5 one more time, and you got 10 plus y. Okay, so question 11 to question 14, you have two operations in one expression, but it has the same method, just like first 10 question like this. Yeah, okay, a little bit basic and a little bit harder. I hope you can understand this video. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.